What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay!
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, your good heart VA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here in Canva Play, we make videos to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. With that said, I'm going to head on to our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a design made of soft spotlight effect. As we all know, spotlight is a device with a light thrown upon a particular spot for making some object, person, or group standing out to be visible. A wide spotlight of full intensity with a wide focus is what a soft spotlight effect is. Let's jump into Canva and start creating the design. Here is the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page. I'm going to get my subject photo from Uploads. You can also search this photo from photos using the keyword man in black sweater, red pants, posing studio, self-confidence. I am going to set this image as my background. Next, go to Elements and search for frames. And you will see a lot of frames here underneath. Get the circle frame, the first one. Spotlights are rounded light thrown at the area you want to lighten up. That is why I will use the circle frame. Use the circle and position it on the area you want to place your spotlight. I will position it here and make it bigger, covering half of the man's body. Get again the photo, the same photo from Uploads, and insert it inside the frame. I will position the image inside the frame with the image background. Align them perfectly. For the beginners, you can do it by clicking the frame and drag from the corners the photo inside, and you can manipulate it afterwards, like this. Now I have perfectly aligned the two by double-clicking rather the frame inside, and you can also do it by decreasing the transparency so that you can see the image behind. So when you have aligned the two, you can increase back the transparency again to its maximum. This is just a tip. After the alignment, I will apply a setting to this circle frame with the image inside. So, using this image inside the frame, go to Edit Image, click on Adjust Setting, See All, and apply these settings. Brightness 15, Contrast 5, Saturation 25, Blur -5, Vignette 50, Clarity 3, Shadows -20. And then, lock the frame. Next to do is to go to Elements and search now for the keyword Shape. Type in here in the search bar, Shape, and you'll see different options of shape underneath. I will get the square shape here And I'll color it black. Now I will make the shape bigger to occupy the whole page. And once I have occupied the whole page using this black shape, I will now select it and position it backward. Then I'll lock it. To create a more enhanced soft spotlight effect, here's the next step. Let's add another page. And from this page, let's go to Elements again and search for an element called, the keyword for this element is circle blurred shadow frame. Go to graphics and you will see the first element here, the hollow circle. The keyword of this is circle blurred shadow frame. Finding keywords is hard and time consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called CANVA DEEP. CANVA DEEP is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known and deep search to help you find the exact stack Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. Going back, I have chosen this first element, which is the circle blurred shadow frame, and the default color of this element is black. So, as we all know, spotlight is obviously color white. So I will change the color of this element to white by using the duotone effect under Edit Image. Using the image, I'll go to Edit Image and find duotone. Scroll down here. See all, and let's choose the classic effect. Now, once you've clicked the effect, click it once more and change all the default colors to white. And then click apply. Let's just wait for it to load. See? Did you see it? Of course, no. Now, let's just wait for it to load. And once all changes save, I will change my background color to black so that you can see it more clearly. Now you see it. I will duplicate this white circle to make it 2. Let me just arrange it here so that you can see the 2 elements. For the first one, I will apply another adjust settings to make the edges of the spotlight clearer. Using this circle, go to Edit Image, find Adjust, See All, and change the settings to Brightness 100, Contrast 0, Saturation 100, Blur negative 100, Warmth 100, Clarity 100, Vibrance 100, Highlights 100, Shadows negative 100. Now, I will copy or drag this circle in the design above, drag it in front of the frame, change the size, same with the spotlight circle which we created a while ago. Align it with the circle frame with image inside. Align it by covering the edges of the frame. Then, I will position this element backward. Going back, on the page we've created, I will now drag the remaining circle to the design like this, but this time I will retain it in front of the frame. Now it's perfect, but this doesn't end here. So what I'll do next, I will get again the same photo from uploads, but before that, let me select them and lock them first. Now I will get the same photo from uploads and I will apply another settings to this. Using this image, go to edit image, find adjust settings, click see all, and apply these settings. Brightness, negative 25, contrast 25, saturation 40, vignette 100, and change its transparency to 45. Here's a pro tip. You can change the transparency amount based on your preference. So in this picture, I adjusted the transparency settings to 45. You can do it from 45 to 60. Now I will make the image bigger to occupy the whole page. Align it with the image inside the circle. Now, after it's done, lock it. Now, take a look of the design I created. That's it. For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, your good heart VA, saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky, God sent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Pinky with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.